You know the truth. You're fast, but your gear is slow. Every lost duel, every missed counter-strafe, is your keyboard's fault. That stops now. This is the AJAZZ AK680 Max. It's not mechanical, it's magnetic. With 0.01mm rapid trigger precision, your keys reset the microsecond you release them. Instant reaction is no longer a goal, it's a guarantee. You control the game's physics. Adjust your actuation point from 1 cent, text, dollar up to $2, text, dollar. Master essential commands like DKS, dynamic keystroke, binding 4 functions to 1 tap. Your macro game just went nuclear. Speed you can measure. Choose wired or wireless tri-mode with a devastating 8000 Hz pulling rate. That's near $0.125, text, ms. Dollar latency.